finally out of the shed, out and about. Been slacking on videos hard, but I've done a bit of work recently and I thought I might take a little drive and hit some VTEC, and yeah, no, she's going good now. After fucking around with the vacuum system a bit and messing around, it's running, so just got to get the bumpers, roof and bonnet sorted out, and then yeah, the wheels painted and we're into it. That beep was. Sticky accelerator pedal. Don't want to spray gravel all over my knee. Pain can. Big kick. Got a little second gear. Working. Finally. Manga. Sketch. You fuck holding the camera and driving. Man, let's give it a pretty good caning. VTEC, couple of little first, second gear skids and stuff. Doesn't seem to be leaking anything, doesn't seem too hot. Pretty wrapped with that. You got the stock tail lights out of the other parts Honda down there, and gave them a buff up and chucked them in. Got the number plate surround on, looking pretty decent. Can't remember if I said that in an earlier clip or not because I'm recording these a couple days apart. But put the Wed Sports on. This is the one that I've been stripping with your paint stripper. It's looking pretty rough at the moment, but I'll get these powder coated. But you get some idea of where the car's going. When the adjusties are in, I can lower it down a bit more. Really want to paint all of this stuff along here black, so it looks all nice and behind the bumper. Oh. White on both sides, but same thing, yeah, the powder coat's absolutely buggered. And the next thing I've been doing is I've got like the other electronic cluster that can go in there that's always blacked out and lights up when you turn the key on and stuff, but I had to replace this unit in here because the one from this car just wasn't working. It's cocked the capacitors and stuff and it was completely gone. But for playing around, I had to solder a couple of capacitors and stuff, but I got it to the point where it's doing something now. Got a fuel gauge. I'm not sure if the temperature gauge is working or not, but and I also don't know how long it's going to last because the little volt converter on it seemed like it was getting pretty hot. So yeah, might be short-lived, but hopefully it'll get me over to Thames to the panel beaters at least. So I got some idea of what fuel and temperature is going on in the car. But yeah, I don't think I'll put the electronic thing in just yet because everything that came out of that dash was a bit rusty. Same with these. I had to clean these up and solder bits onto them. This is the Alps type, which is the newer, like redesigned one. The older ones are the ones more prone to failure, but I don't know if you can hear that high pitched. Yeah, it was making a worse noise before I soldered some stuff onto it, so the noise got better, and it also had fuel flickering at the end, which isn't now, so these things are promising. But yeah, I'm not going to put the electronic one and just yet because of all of the rust, but I will pull the harness out, and I have cleaned up the screen and stuff, got it ready in case I just decide to do something with it later, or at least just test it to see what condition it's in. It's kind of frustrating because I could just chuck it in pretty quickly now, but it's like honestly I just need to get the car ready to get to the panel beaters and not really worry about anything else too much right now.